Well, hello there. I just wanted to pop on, and one of the group messaged me last night or texted me a book that she's been reading as she's on her wellness journey. And it is called Zero Sugar Diet by David, I hope you get this right, Zinchenko, something like that. But anyway, just a quick word about sugar. I myself probably stopped taking sugar in tea or coffee when I was about 19. When I got myself to the point where I was maybe taking a half a teaspoon in a hot drink. And then I went, why am I even doing this, right? A half a teaspoon. So just quit that. And so that was a really good thing. And I don't think I've drunk soda, I know, it's over 10 years, maybe 15 years or something like that. Never particularly liked it anyway. And definitely stay away from those diet sodas. They're full of all sorts of nasty things. But the other point of this is thinking about added sugars in drinks and in food. So always read the labels on the back of any product. And you're looking at total sugars, but you're going to see underneath that it says added sugars. So a lot of times they'll do that when they take something out, like for instance, lower fat products. In order to make it taste good again, they'll add things in there. And they're usually added sugars or some other nasty ingredient they're putting in there. So check that out. And just a little story about somebody that asked me to help them with, to lose a few pounds and get a little healthier. I knew she wasn't going to be compliant on the exercise part of it. I think she did start walking a little bit, but we looked at her diet and I said, okay, so if there's one thing that you're going to give up, what would that be? And so we looked at a few things, but there was a drink in there that she drank every single day that had, I can't remember how many grams of added sugar, but a lot. So we made a few adjustments there, and I said, okay, so you like this? And it was an orange drink. I said, well, and even orange juice, again, take a look at it, because a lot of times, especially when it's from concentrate, they add a lot of sugar to that. So I said, okay, just make sure you get like a natural fresh squeezed orange juice, and then add a little bit of water to that, or even ice cubes, something to kind of dilute it down a little bit. Or you've got the St. Croix waters, carbonated water. And within a month, she had lost 7 pounds. So that was just with cutting one thing out. So if you're having difficulty losing weight, take a look at your diet, definitely read the labels, and make sure that you're not getting added calories from things you really don't need to be having in your body. Okay, hope that helps. See you soon.